The miniaturization of electronics requires a greater attention to topology. In Altium Designer 22, we've added enhanced routing tools that allow you to accelerate and simplify the process of creating these compact devices. You can now automatically add an additional gap between conductors and pads or vias during routing to avoid any bottlenecks. For dense topologies, the algorithms built into the routing tool will center your conductors relative to other obstacles. The additional gap added between obstacles during routing will even be preserved after using the gloss and retrace tools. A new gloss and retrace panel is also available, which allows you to quickly and visually set glossing modes. You can also control the avoidance of polygons and rooms to achieve an optimal path for your conductors. To get a high-quality output of the conductor from pads, you can use the SMD entry and SMD two-corner rules. The new routing algorithms will monitor the possibility of applying these rules. With denser topologies and obstacles, such as this one, the router will ignore these rules and allow you to create an exit in a more accessible way. These new routing enhancements also improve interactive topology editing. Now, you can choose your ideal interactive sliding behavior to get the exact results you're looking for.